SCON Design India PVT LTD is a renowned interior design firm located in Gandhinagar. With a team of skilled and experienced interior designers, SCON Design specializes in creating unique and innovative spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. As one of the leading interior designers in Gandhinagar, SCON Design takes pride in delivering exceptional designs that exceed client expectations. The interior designers at SCON Design are well-versed in the latest design trends and techniques. They have a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of how to utilize space effectively. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, SCON Design ensures that each space is customized to meet the specific needs and preferences of the client. SCON Design offers a wide range of interior design services, including space planning, furniture selection, color consultation, lighting design, and more. They work closely with clients to understand their vision and goals for the project, and then create a design plan that reflects their unique style and requirements. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior designers in Gandhinagar is their commitment to quality and professionalism. They strive to deliver projects on time and within budget, while maintaining the highest standards of craftsmanship. SCON Design also believes in building long-term relationships with clients, ensuring that they are satisfied with the end result. If you are looking for interior designers in Gandhinagar, SCON Design India PVT LTD is the perfect choice. With their expertise and passion for design, they can transform any space into a stunning masterpiece. Contact SCON Design today to discuss your interior design needs and bring your vision to life. Transform your space with the expertise of SCON Design, the leading interior design firm in Gandhinagar. Our skilled designers create functional and aesthetically pleasing interiors that exceed your expectations. Hire us today.